Alright. Hey guys.
¿Qué pasa?
On our way to go pick up Drisden and then Foster, but you don't know Foster. Oh, you do. He was in my one video.
We took his controller. Well, he took his controller.
Yeah, out of his backpack when I was at Drisden's house.
One on each side.
Okay.
Howdy, fuck off.
His bum.
What am I doing with this?
Set in the middle. Or Aaron will hold it. One of the two. It doesn't matter.
There you go.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas, Aaron. Because Kevin like boys in his
Oh,
bum.
Jesus Christ. I didn't know how high this was.
My underwear are cutting off my circulation to my ball bag.
Your underwear or...
There goes that screwdriver.
That woman smiled at us as she drove fast.
You want McDonald's?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. You got like a nice little picture, actually.
Where? Oh.
Isn't that retarded? She had her standing in the middle of the road taking pictures of her and then she blurred out the background.
That's okay.
That's a sick ass
I feel
Firebird.
like that could have been as easily done with a fucking green screen.
Exactly.
Hey, it's green.
Yeah, it is.
Chug America.
You know what my dad did the other day that was really funny?
Got
Oh
drunk.
shit!
Hey, it's Jesse.
We were sitting at a...
That's adorable.
Isn't that hilarious?
We were sitting at the light up the, like the next light up.
Yeah.
And it turned green and my dad's like, wouldn't that be funny? Let's see how long I can just sit here before someone And he's just sitting there. And there's an old woman just looking at her phone, doesn't realize that the light's green, so we're just sitting there. We sat there through an entire rotation.
That's great.
Sell yourself, you filthy fucking. Why are you driving in the middle of the road?
Why not?
Was he?
Kind of, a little bit. I do it all the time.
It's not like we're swerving in
You gotta take the inside.
He's just cuddling over this maintenance juice.
What? You guys get cold, there's a blanket back there.
It's his teddy bear.
Where?
I'm like, so I get an industrial blanket.
No. No.
An industrial
industrial
blanket.
uses everything.
Did you not look at it and see what it is?
I looked at it, but rescue blanket. Does it have a theme song?
Yeah, you can make it up.
Rescue blanket. That's all I got. Aaron likes
It's 7
it,
days.
boys. Oh wow, so much quieter.
It's 7 days.
Sweet.
Should listen to hardcore metal.
Hey, those are good because I can use my Kinect.
That's the only reason, like one of the biggest reasons why I watch it.
Seriously?
Really? You don't know
Redeeming
how to
codes?
code?
There's no goddamn fucking keyboard for the fucking one.
Yeah, it sucks.
Where?
You can plug an actual keyboard into
I'll
it.
plug a regular keyboard into it, Tristan.
Fuck you, Kevin.
I don't know. Maybe 25, 30.
Alright, that might be worth it. Just because I love the 360
You
keyboard.
always have
On the controller?
My headset won't work without it.
Yeah, plugs into where the mic did.
Yeah.
Then my controller's gonna go down. Oh, okay.
I think that
I kind of rather my controller be really long though. I have like a keyboard and have my headset plugged into it.
has like a fucking tail.
You need to find something to put on the top.
Yeah. A drink coaster or
Maybe an antenna so you can play from further away.
And then sell that at eBay for like $600. So are you recording this? Just what did you know there? Right there.
Is it duct tape?
It's a duct tape job though. I give you credit.
Thank you. I'm doing my best. I don't have a regular job, so this is
recording since you picked this up?
Yeah.
I wish I would have noticed that.
Yeah. That's what I was hoping.
Yeah, same.
We should have no, because then it'd be in camera.
Well, now you're gonna see that like fucking jacked off in the back of your car, busting out the back
address is already on YouTube.
What? Told him to blur it out and play Victoria and had to use my IP and put it in.
I'm gonna have to look over this video.
And then I have to make sure that
How come you didn't tell me there was an old man on the side of the road?
What are you talking about?
There was an old man. I didn't tell him I had a birthday.
How popular is your YouTube thing?
I have 47 subscribers.
about
I know him.
97%
I'm not doing that.
Yeah?
What did you say?
About 97%.
Well, I had my pen on me.
What are you
That might
doing?
be a problem.
It wasn't
Hey.
cold.
Not yet. Do you not remember us sitting there in it for like 10 minutes while it got cold?
No. Why is it
How?
on AC instead of max?
Because I didn't think about that.
Gonna turn out just like the video with Poet smoking.
That's still
Oh
on.
yeah, that one my mom better not find out about.
Yeah.
Oh my
And
God.
don't put this one on.
How would your mom find out about it?
Or
I don't
edit,
know. She's being crazy. She got my Facebook.
or edit this one.
Yeah, but how would she find
I have my
Kevin's
pen on.
stuff?
How would she find my...
I
Dude,
don't know. I'm scared. All right.
dude, you're fucking 19 years old.
I'm terrified of my mother.
Get the
You should
fuck
be more
over
terrified
it.
of Jesus.
Give me that.
Jesus is the one snitching on you.
Just to explain that a little bit, Drizzin's mom was at church and left early so that she could go home because Jesus told her to go home because her son was at home smoking. So, that's the story of how Drizzin got caught smoking weed.
I feel like God's okay with weed. I feel like if anything,
I feel like God.
God's fine, but his son is a dick.
Jesus is God, is what I'm trying to say. But no, I feel like if anything, they have a problem with alcohol.
Jesus?
Yeah. And the church is lying to us, man. They better be lying.
Turn the Bluetooth on now.
Yeah,
On this?
Yeah.
It won't work because we're recording. We can't turn it on.
You like
Not while it's
Not while
recording.
it's recording.
We went over this while I was in Tristan's house.
It's in that video if you're watching.
Yeah. The one with Poet smoking.
What? Shut up.
Hey, Jesus is going to tell your mom what his channel is.
Hey. Jesus might.
I had some parents at GameStop that were like, we need to get a Wii game for our son.
And it's got to be all about Jesus.
No. I was like, okay. And they're like, he's still learning. He's only like 8. And I was like, okay. And I was like, well, I'd suggest a Lego game. And I was like, she's like Indiana Jones or Batman? And I was like, yeah. So I was like, Harry Potter. She's like, oh no, we don't want our son believing in all that witchcraft. I was like, all right. I was like, I'm just trying to help. She's like, we're not that type of family. I don't know how your mother raised you. And I was like, where is this? I was like, I'm just trying to help you for one.
You should have been like, well, my mom raised me right, and Avada Kedavra!
And you are naughty wizard.
My old neighbor that I used to live by, he wasn't allowed to watch Harry Potter and stuff like that because he,
That's ridiculous.
because of that, yeah. He
mom-
also wasn't allowed to celebrate Halloween
I
because
don't know if it was a
Devil's Night.
I don't know if it was a religious thing or it was we don't want.
That's
them to
actually
think it's
super
real.
funny to me.
Why?
That Christians do Halloween.
Sam Teresa wasn't allowed
Oh, yeah.
to watch SpongeBob.
No, he was not.
Does your mom celebrate Halloween? We should make fun of her every Halloween.
Yeah.
You hypocrite.
I mean, I tell her that Christmas is a pagan holiday every year.
And then you set up a pole in the middle of the living room and say you celebrate Festivus.
As always, guys, hope you enjoyed. Comment your thoughts, like, and subscribe. Catch you later.
Everybody fucking rage!